Yo, what's up? Welcome to another video. You're probably wondering why we're wearing matching t-shirts right now. We're working with Pristine Parts and APG Brakes. We're going to be meeting up with Randy from Illiminate. He's going to be receiving an APG big brake kit for his R32 GTR. But
oh shit. What? Oh my god!
No.
Check this shit out. Bam! Got some fake caliper covers. We're gonna swap them with the real ones.
That's the real shit right there.
Damn, dude.
Oh, damn.
Seems legit. You won't be able to tell. Wait. You got a rock?
Yeah. I only got one though.
Oh, hell yeah. Pause with some.
Had to make sure it was the right color.
Bam.
Bruh. Bruh. That works. Hey, yo, it fits. I know. Yo, it feels legit. Oh shit.
Yo, what about the rotors though? Those are just the calipers right there. Oh shoot, I didn't think about that.
Dude, I got you, bro. I got some rusted ass rotors.
I got some rusted ass rotors.
Oh, which one's the one with the crack? They even got the cobwebs on it. Which one's the one with the crack? Oh, yes, sir. Ah, shit, this is gonna take forever. Dude, I'm telling you, bro. It's a dick. A little one. Oh, dude, that's some shit.
This looks like pubes, dude.
But does it help that I'm trying to draw with a permanent marker through surface rust?
Seems legit.
Fucking 100mm spacers?
I've been 100 before.
Bro, on what car? What the fuck?
What?
What the fuck? No. Center. Yep.
behind the scenes, setting up the gimbal. We're going to be filming rollers with the Evo out there.
There's no cage in here. We got a passenger.
Let me out, bro. Hey, let me out.
Let me out.
How you doing back there?
Let me out, bro.
Oh, that's child locks? You're weird. Child locks for the child.
It's weird. He's like, what?
Turn it off. He doesn't want to leave David in the car alone with it on. Look at
Yo, close it up, close it up, close it up.
Oh, fuck you.
Velotron 3000? That's the 8000. Dude, I know, Dad.
Alright, Justin, we'll be back! So, he's here. We're literally gonna maybe slap it on the table and I'll pull everything out. Maybe you guys the B-roll of me taking everything apart. I haven't seen them yet. I've seen pictures, but they never do any justice, so. Oh my God, exactly what I thought they'd look like. Oh my God. I'm just kidding.
Quality, right?
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Oh shit. What? Oh my God, I've always wanted these. You guys scammed me, dog. You guys look legit.
What is it?
Hey, look at the rotors though.
The rotors are the shit. Look at this.
Yeah, let's keep these rotors.
Oh my God, dude, it's heavy. It's not rotors, huh?
No, it's a rotor for sure.
Okay. Oh! This is my favorite part.
Here's the actual size one.
APG, baby.
Had to go to scale, bro.
Two-piece rotors.
Oh, two-piece. You guys stand behind it. You guys gotta go.
We got the real ones right here.
So these weren't the real ones?
I mean, we can put them on anyways.
These weren't the real ones that I designed?
Definitely
Let's test fit them real quick.
These will definitely help.
I think this one will fit.
Yeah, dude, I think these are gonna
Let's try it on. Let's
Hold
try
that
it
shit up
on.
real quick.
I fucking kid you not.
These are the real ones.
Oh! Bro, you guys are assholes. When I saw these, I was trying to be happy. I was like,
Here you go.
all right, let's open these up and show you guys. And then we'll open them up. Oh my god! Oh my god! Thank God! Bro, I swear to God, this like broke my heart. All right, you know what? Let's open these up.
Our issue right now is once we install these brakes, we do not know if Randy's Workmeisters will fit over them anymore, so we might need some 18s.
Oh, these might fit.
Actually, those might be the rears.
Oh fuck!
No one move anything.
We'll stay here to catch it.
It's standing. It's standing. No, what's up with that pristine theme?
Oh, what's up with the pristine P now?
Pristine pussy.
So 145, 145, 2 for 10.
That's a good deal. Let me get 500,000. 500,000 brakes for $10 each. Fuck yes.
Oh, that's fucking money moves right there.
Shit!
Yeah.
What is up, guys? Welcome to the shop. I'm Randy from Illiminate, and today we are installing APG X Illiminate big brake kit for the R32 Skyline GTR. Yeah.
Finished talking about the brakes, got the car up onto the lift, got the wheels off. Now it's time for us to get our hands dirty, get these brakes off, and hope they clear the wheels.
I think he needs a minimum of 18-inch wheels to run these, but it's cutting it close, so we'll see.
Alright, we have one wheel on.
Perfect clearance. Look at it.
That's good news. I think the front we may have an issue.
I'm hoping we can get away with a spacer.
Yeah, I'm hoping so too. Try it then.
Look at this fucking fire shit. Look at this.
Eliminate. X Eliminate.
We're about like 40% of the way done. The other half is the easy part. You just replace all the new shit with the old shit. So we don't really have much left to do. Just gotta run all the brake lines, bleed his brakes, and bolt up the rest of the calipers, and we should be good to go.
It's the torque spec.
What's that?
Tight.
Ugga-dugga. A couple, maybe 3. Yo, fuck, what was that?
Whoa, it's warehouse.
What was that? That shit echo kind of wild, huh?
The best handiwork I've seen.
Pristine work right there, dude.
Pristine work. That's our name, dude.
Fuck! I need to order new lips. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god. Look at that fit, man. It's tighter than. Never mind. Yeah, how much space we got? Let me know when to stop, okay?
What the?
Just let it hit.